Good morning, zonke izizwe jikelele yonke indawo. This is Ingezo, live on our YouTube channel. Welcome to Ingezo Education. Today we'll be busy with what now? We'll be busy with complex numbers. Question number 3 of what? Paper 1. This question paper is what? Is 2023 Eastern Cape, September. So we'll just go straight to what? To question 3 there, 3.3. So with question 3.3, it reads as follows now. Drawn below is what? Is an arc-line diagram of a complex number. Z with what? With a point which is what? 3 and negative 4 there. So this is our arc-line diagram. This arc-line diagram is on what? It's on the, you see, it's slanting on the what? On the fourth quadrant there. Which is on the fourth quadrant is 360 minus. Thank you very much. So let me just write down the data that we are given. So we are given our point there, which is our point is how much now? It's P, which is how much? 3 and how much? 3 and negative 4. That is our point. So this point, it simply means now what are we having? We're having our complex number, which is Z is equals to how much now? Remember, this is what? This is a real part, which is the value of A. This one, this is imaginary part, which is the value of B, which is we're going to have 3 minus how much? Minus 4i. It will be our complex number. So we haven't answered the question, we're just analyzing the data now. So the first question there, it says now, write down the complex number Z in rectangular form now. So we've already answered that question, but we'll answer it correctly now. 3.3.1, which is our Z now, will be equals to how much? 3 minus how much? Minus 4i. So that will be our complex number in what? In rectangular form now. We can just check it now. Rectangular form. Nice. So let's go to the second question there. The second question, it says 3.3.2, calculate the modulus of what? Of Z now. Which is, this is not R modulus, but the modulus of Z now. Nice. So we want the modulus, which is 3.3.2 now. Which is, remember that Z modulus is equals to how much? The root of how much? Of A squared plus how much? Plus B squared there. Which is, we are going to have how much now? The value of A there we just showed there, which is, we are going to have how much? 3 all squared plus how much? Negative 4 all squared there. Which is, we are going to have how much? 9 plus how much? Plus 16. Which is how much? The root of how much? 25. Which is our R there, our Z modulus will be equals to how much? 5. That will be our Z modulus now. I can go through the Z modulus. So we can just view the question again on this side now. Yes. Z modulus. So what are we looking for now? We are looking for the argument now. The argument, which is the argument which is determine the size of theta. See, theta simply means what? The argument. Nice. So let's go to what? 3.3.3. 3.3.3, we are given what? Remember that tan ratio. Tan of theta is equal to how much? B divided by A. Tan ratio, it's a mark now. It's a mark for a tan ratio. Which is, you're going to have tan of what? Tan of theta is equal to how much? The value of B is negative 4 from our rectangular form, divided by how much? Divided by 3, which is, you're going to have our theta is equal to how much? Tan arc of how much? Negative 4 divided by 3. So for negative 4 divided by 3. So for my learners who are struggling with this tan ratio, I normally add what? I normally add 180 degrees so that we can get our solution straight without any complications there. Nice. So let's put that in our calculator now, which is going to have how much? Second function, tan, which is how much? The root of how much? Negative 4 divided by 3. Okay. negative 4 divided by 3. Sorry. The second function tan negative 4 divided by 3 plus 180, which is our theta now will be equals to how much? Our theta will be equals to 126, how much? 87 degrees. That will be our time. That will be our argument now. So in this video, I'm just going to do what? I'm just going to do 3.3.1, 3.3.2, and 3.3.3, which is the 3.3.3 is this one now, whereby we are just determining the what? The argument. The argument. Which is when we talk the theta now, we talk what? We talk argument now. Thank you very much. In the next video, we'll be doing what now? We'll be doing 3.3.4 there. 3.3.4. Thank you.